This is Junkyard Revival. We're going to put it to test on this and see how good it does. A headlight that was beyond repair in most people's mind. We could maybe make a new promo in that. He's got some new vehicles because remember, he had took all these, were all gone. Remember, like this is where the avalanche was? And he cleared that whole section out. There's a cool old truck. Looks like it's been busted up a little bit. Old Ford. You can keep your eyes peeled for like a bad headlight too. Like this one right here is horrible. But I don't know if it's too bad. Because this looks like it's, that looks like it may have ate through. Well, maybe not, no. Looks like dirt, that might be a good one to do it on. Yeah, we'll do that one before we leave today. Step on me right there. Here, I'll try it. Let me see if I can try it. You step on me. Got it? Ha! Here, I got, here, I got. Teamwork makes the dream work. Our other most popular video from last season was our Graphene Headlight Kit. You take a headlight out here that was really bad and it seems like it's unrepairable. And we seen another one on the way in that made us really want to try it again and see how it does on something that is like extremely bad to where I don't even know if it's going to work because there's some serious pitting and it looks like, I don't know, deteriorated, but we're going to see just how good it will do on a headlight that seems to be maybe beyond repair. It's what we like to do. We like to push it to the limits, and the only way to find out is to do it. So this one here, you can see on this headlight, is just super oxidized. Big wasper back there. Super oxidized. Looks like it may have even, I don't know if that's on the inside or outside, but we're gonna put it to test on this and see how good it does. I do see hidden. I'm gonna bring it out. Now this was a big hit last year. Clearly everybody was a part of the release. So back by popular demand, we've got the Siemens stool. Can't find those anywhere, just right here, jackswax.com. Good thing about this kit, and the reason it's so popular, one of the reasons, is everything comes in it. Everything's ready to rock right off the bat. So you have applicator, that's the coating applicator, gloves, super important, coating leveling towel, 2 of them. You have oxidation remover. Actually, these are oxidation towels. This is self-leveling coating. That was a test and I passed. And then this is the graphene coating. So everything you need, one kit, and you have sandpaper. You have a 2000, a 3000, and 2 1500. There's enough in here to do a whole set of headlights. The 1500 sandpaper is the one that takes the most abuse, so we gave you 2. Obviously, this car had a motor and fenders and all that good stuff. You'd want to tape off around, that way you don't scuff the paint with the sandpaper. But obviously, we're not going to be too worried about scuffing paint. First thing you want to do, fold your towel up. oxidation remover, pour it on there, and you want to be real thorough on just cleaning this headlight up. It removes any of the buildup, dirt, grime, whatever's on here. It does a lot of the work for you. It's just about making it each step easier and easier to do. So this will remove all of it. You can see, look how dirty, just off of one pass. So what I like to do is do it again after I've got it good cleaned up. Super, you can see how much oxidation and stuff it removed off there. Pretty wild. Look for the spider. This is just water. It's the only thing we have out here at the junkyard. It's always like in our comments, like, should have just used a power washer. But it's a little hard to tote a power washer around out here. After you get it, oxidation remover, let that dry out a little bit. Doesn't really have to though. Next step is take your 1500 grit sandpaper piece, put it down, get it wet, and you just want to make sure you're super thorough in covering all the area of the headlight. I always go fully down it. I go back down and up and down. I'm going to go over it a couple times just to make sure you're getting full. This 1500 is going to do a lot of your heavy work, removing scratches, removing heavy oxidation, removing any imperfections that may be in that glass or plastic. I make sure I get all the edges, top edges. This is super hot out here today. It dries out, just a little more water on it. Once you got full coverage, 1500, you know you've got every area really good. Take it off, going down to 2000. Water, same process. This is going to thin out any of your scratches from your 1500, smooth it out. I always work it in sections just so I know which areas I've done. Like if I'm doing this main glass part, I stay on it to make sure I've covered all the main glass. Then I'll move to this top edge, make sure I've got that whole top edge. Then I'll move to this edge. Then I'll move to my bottom. Once you've done thorough coverage of 2000, move on to your final sandpaper step, 3000. Most important part, get you a little water on there. Water feels good today. We'll go ahead and spray some on there too. And this is like super fine, really getting all the last little bit of scratches, things out that can. Once you've got full coverage with that, take the towel. I just like to go back over it with the towel. My other leveling towel fell down there, so I'll just do it with this one. Just like to wipe any of that residue off it's got on there. And then this is where we get to see if the magic happens. Take your coating, Drizzle it on your applicator. And apply in a crosshatch pattern, which means I go up and down. Just want to make sure we get full coverage side to side. Now out here in the heat is not ideal place because this is going to dry super fast, which is okay. Self-leveling coating. You don't have to wipe it back down. But that is a night and day difference. I mean, it took that headlight that was completely destroyed, but that coating will dry. It'll stay that. It keeps it protected, and it will totally restore your headlights with that one simple kit. So one of our most requested videos, go back and show some of those videos we did before. That way we can keep updated on them throughout the season. So we wanted to touch on our most popular videos from season 1, and we have some new cool things coming up in season 2, some new products, new applications, new areas, marine area. We got some marine products we're going to show out. So this is the exact reason we wanted to start this series, is for examples like this. A headlight that was beyond repair in most people's mind. With our simple headlight restoration kit, this is the results you can get.